Hey everybody, and welcome back. Well, for today's video, we find ourselves in Orange County, California. Santa Ana to be a little more specific, and what better thing to do than go to a place that's been around for over 80 years. Now, I'm not big on tamales. It's not that I don't like them, it's just I haven't really had too many of them. I think there was a hair in my mouth, not a tamale yet, but this place has been around for over 80 years, so they must be doing something right. And Mexican food is a staple in Southern California. If you're from the area, you know that. And good Mexican food, when you find one, you keep coming back. So I figured I need to try this one out. SARINANA'S. Gonna head over here to this little hole in the wall. Been here since 1939. You can tell the neighborhood's changed a little bit. You got La Placita directly across the street, and here is SARINANA'S. SARINANA'S? I don't know if I'm saying that right, but I think I am. And here is the mural on the side. Smells great. And we're right here. Oh, I might have to add a sticker. Well, maybe not me. Maybe I'll leave a sticker and somebody else will add it. I'm just saying. We chill the outside first because they do have a grocery store as well here. And here's the restaurant, and directly next to the plaza is a little grocery market, and they are big in the lowrider culture. I saw that online. I'll go through the wall right here. The classic Vato Santa Ana. Santa Ana Rivas pinstriping. And as we go down, I believe that might be the original owner. Kimberly Ann Photography. If you're interested in that, there's her Instagram. Pistoleros Califas, Rusty Gold Clothing, and the Illustrious Car Club. And then directly behind me, if you turn around, looks like they have a house, but they got another mural. One thing I'd have to say, you notice that nobody tags up on this stuff over here. Maybe just not today, or maybe they cleaned it up, but yeah, they probably know better is what I'll say. SARINANA'S Market. Let's go inside and grab a tamale. Here is the view, and there's some classic photos right there. You got the regular sodas and I'm not even sure what those drinks are, but they are BPA free. You can also get yourself a t-shirt, $25. Cool little restaurant here though. Really awesome memorabilia on the wall and murals. Got a real homey vibe. Homely or homey, either which one will work here, I think. We were just talking, and so this is the owner and his family. And the crazy thing is, this predates Disneyland. Disneyland is 55, 56, and that is just wild to think, and it's been always this location. And I'll get the address and then let you guys know too, but it's SARINANA'S in Santa Ana. Actually, you can just Yelp or Google it. You'll be able to find it fairly easy. I'm excited to try this food. It smells great. I got myself what they refer to as a Mexican Coke, because they don't have these glass bottles, but look at this, and I might as well use the SARINANA'S Tamale Factory. I'm so glad I didn't screw that up. I dropped the cap, but I'll put it in the little bin right there. That was fun to use that. And they have this stuff too. Burritos and the other goodies, if that's what you're into. The place is super clean. If you think of a Mexican restaurant, you might not always think how clean it is, but this place is very clean. All right, so my meal cost me $10.25, and I got 2 items. I looked online to see what was popular, and that tamale smells really good. The popular things here were the hard tacos. Got myself a carne asada hard taco. Show you that first. And they're done like street taco style. I didn't know it was gonna, maybe I misinterpreted, but I think I wanted the hard shell, but this is fine. First taste of the carne asada street taco. This will determine, as half of it falls on me, if I'll be back or not. That's pretty good. She gave me a lemon instead of a lime. I'm used to getting a lime with Mexican food, and this is almost like Tapatio hot sauce. Give this a try too with the hot sauce. Mm-hmm. That's good. Wash it down with my Mexican Coke. It's not Julio's jalapeno from Random Land hot sauce, but it's good. Next I want to show you is the pork tamale. Check this out. It kind of fell apart here when I unwrapped it, but this is the main thing that I saw that everybody's going through. There's a gnat bugging me. All right, gonna give this a try. Oh yeah, that's pretty darn good. That's what I go with, the pork tamale. Every time. Very good, old recipe. I was reading that's the original recipe that's been handed down after all these years. So I got some company. I wasn't expecting it, but that's why. I'm gonna go ahead and eat this and I'll get back to you guys. For a guy that's not a tamale guy, tamale me anytime. So while I was sitting out there, I noticed that quite a few people were showing up, and I was always told that if you see the local businesses go in there, usually like the mailman, the UPS man, or just things like that, utility workers, that's a good spot because they know all the places to eat, and you know they usually go back to the good spots for their lunches. So I'd have to say this place is probably a favorite of the community as well. It must be if it's been this long, but I was gonna walk around the back real quick and people just keep showing up. I mean, it's fairly early and they are rolling in. They have additional seating on the side. I gotta figure this is the original house. I mean, I don't wanna intrude, but that looks like a classic Orange County home. Very, very cool. Right in the back of the restaurant. I also love anything nostalgic, so anything that's this old and in this area. When you think of the grand scheme of things, Orange County isn't that old. I mean, when people started coming out here, it was nothing but orange groves. I mean, when Disney was coming out here, that's all it was. But look, they even have a Quonset hut over here. Well, there's the ice cream man. He's right there, but little makeshift Quonset hut over here. Is this a VFW? Might be. I was wrong. That was the tow yard. Look at these dates. That is a lot of them. They are ready to come off. Maybe a date tamale, huh? You can combine the two. Maybe we can walk around the back here. I see a lot of cars parking, so I'm gonna check it out. There's a great Huell Hauser episode where he goes up to Ventura, and it's the Tamale Festival, and they've just eaten tamales all day. You can find that on the Chapman Huell Hauser archive if you ever want to check that out.
We have a lot of tamales here today. We're not going to be able to go to all the booths, but we're starting off. This one kind of caught my eye because it claims they have the best tamales north of the border. Is that right?
That is right, sir.
You have the best tamales north of the border.
We guarantee it. We all love them. They're great.
All right, you're cooking them up back here. Let's get one of these. Now, what have you got for me today?
Well, I have a tamale made of pork, It's basically a traditional tamale, and it is the best tasting, in my opinion.
Okay, now, but you have a lot of different tamales here today, don't you?
Yes, we do. We have chicken tamales with the red sauce and also green sauce, and also for the vegetarians, the cheese tamales.
Now, did you make these yourself?
We sure did. It was a church, Apostolic Assembly.
Is this a traditional Christmas recipe for your tamale?
Yes, sir, it is.
Okay, wait a minute. Here's a guy. Look, they're eating one right over here. How's the tamale?
Best one in town.
Delicious. Delicious.
It's not only the best one in town, it's the best one north of the border.
North of the border. Oh, that's great. That's great.
All right, hold this for me for a minute.
Sure.
Now, the way to eat a tamale
You have to unwrap it.
And
you unwrap it, and you're going to find the good stuff in there.
boy, you just keep... That's part of it, isn't it?
Yes,
It's
sir.
got the corn. Now, do you eat this little part here?
Yes, sir. That's made out of cornmeal, I believe.
Very good. But I haven't gotten down to the... This is what you wanted me to eat, was the pork.
Right.
Boy, that is the best tamale north of the border.
Great. I knew you'd say that. I knew you'd say that.
I'm not going to be able to eat it all.
Okay,
I'm going to
well.
give this
But with that
back
being
to
said, just another quick food review, this time from SARINANA'S in Santa Ana, California. Made our way over here. It's really easy, not too far from Disneyland or any of the major attractions out this way. If you know where the City Drive is, the Block, Chapman, the Circle, it's all really close, 5-10 minute drive. Stop on by. Now, food-wise, Mexican food-wise, out of 5, there's a street cleaner coming. I would give it a 3. Let's say a 3. The customer service, give it a 10 out of 5. That's a 10 out of 5. That's really good. So with that being said, cheers, classic Coke, enjoy your week, and I will see you next time. If you do down here by La Placita and you do see this private drive, look at that. One of my stickers actually found their way. I don't know how, but I think that dude was just waving at me. The guy directly behind me. I was filming and he's like, that's cool. All right. Friendly people. I'll see you.
Boy, this place
Next
is
time.
getting crowded all of a sudden. Here we go, Louie. She's, oh.
Just to try it, okay? You'll be back.
What kind of meat is that on there?
Ground meat.
Ground meat. Is this part of the...
It's like hamburger meat. This is a little bit different. It's not a normal custom to do that, but it's awfully good.
Really?
It's awfully good, yeah.
I'm getting the idea that anything goes when it
That's
comes to
right.
tamales.
That's just about correct. You've become international here. That's about correct.
Hold this for me. I gotta taste this. Look at this, Louie.
No, gracias, ahorita no. Luego ahorita porque tengo que dejar el estómago para allá para los jueces.
Very good.
Okay, thank you.
Very good. Very good.
Thank you.
Did you?
Hi, Hugh. How are you? Merry Christmas. Merry
Would
Christmas.
you find Santa eating a tamale?
Here in Indio. Have you had any tamales, Hugh?
I've had about 8 of them.
Aren't they wonderful?
And this is
Yeah.
what happens
This
to
is,
you.
And that you're next. Welcome to our city.
We've had a wonderful time.
I'm glad you have. And
This has been
enjoy your tamales.
absolutely
Good.
a wonderful experience. Part of the tradition and culture of actually peoples from all over the world, but it's celebrated right here in Indio every December. The International Tamale Festival.
Merry Christmas.